Hello, it's Marissa. I decided to share my eyelash extension routine for people who want the look without spending a lot of money. These aren't strip lashes or cluster lashes, but true individual lash extensions. I've been doing this myself for about a year now and have seen no damage, especially with proper care to my own lashes. You'll need individual lash extensions in a curl, length, and thickness of your preference. Sometimes I apply drops of glue to the lid when I'm working, so it looks kind of disgusting. You'll also need lash glue. This is the Stacey Lash volume glue that I recommend using if you're working on someone else who has their eyes closed, because it does dry fast and does burn if your eyes are open. This Nikki lash glue can be pricey, but it's perfect for working on yourself when you have your eyes open. It also dries slower, so you have more time to place your lashes. I bought a set of 4 tweezers, but I only used a shorter pointy one because it's easier to work with. When you're working on someone else, these other ones can come in handy for picking up or separating lashes. You might want a spoolie to help you brush out your lashes every now and then. And you'll need to look down at a mirror when you place your lashes. After seeing the footage, I was so mad that I didn't have any good clips of me actually applying the lashes to my eyes, but you'll get the idea. I put all my tools on a flat surface in front of me and look down into a mirror. You just pull a single strand off of your lash strip and place it on your lashes. You should dip the lash in the glue until it forms about 2 to 3 balls of glue at the base of the lash. And when you place it on your lashes, move it up and down your own lash strand ever so slightly to make sure it adheres well. On my own eyes, I really like the look of alternating between long and short pieces. It's really helpful if you follow a lash map to give you the shape that you'd prefer, like cat eye or like a doll look or something. I didn't really follow any kind of pattern this time, which is why I think it didn't really turn out how it usually does. But I do recommend always adding longer pieces at or near the corners of your eyes to give it a nice lift. But that's really all I do. You can make it as simple or as dramatic as you'd like. Since the hairs aren't glued on individually, it can start to feel weird when it grows out. So you can use an eyelash remover to get them off without damaging your own lashes. But most importantly, give your lashes a break every now and then and let them breathe. And if you must have lashes, then strip lashes can work for the time being. If you follow this method, tag me on Instagram so I can see your looks. I hope this was really helpful and easy to follow, and I hope you save some money on your next set of lashes. Thanks for watching. Bye!